Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So I have something new to my channel. I have BomiBox. So if you're new, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you, and I hope you enjoy my new box. So I had gotten, I get emails and they're giving discounts, 25% off, 40, 50% off, and I am so a sucker for those. So this is a Korean skincare, and we know the Koreans have the best skin. So I decided, let me give it a try. I'm kind of juggling things around. I'm canceling some boxes, adding some boxes, and I really have to stay off like Facebook and Instagram late at night because they're like infomercials for me. I see them and I'm like, oh, well, let me try that one. So here I am. So it comes in just a plain box. Everything's just rattled around, no special packaging. So I will have the price floating around here somewhere how much I paid. And so there is a card especially from you from BomiBox, and let's see what we got. We have a calming time mask sheet. Oh, and it does look very calming. And this is glasses time. So how you all doing? You having a great summer? This one is corn flour, and this one is rosemary. So we got a couple masks, and then we have all these little samples of different creams you can try for your face. And then we have an all clean. Oh, and we have, this is by Mary and May, and we have a cleansing foam, a tea tree serum, and a cream. So that's really nice. Then we have, Snail Bee High Content Essence. Anything that says snail, just kind of, and I'm not sure exactly what it is, if it's a serum. There's no card in here. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm definitely not sure if I'm gonna try it. It comes very, very nicely packed. So that's what it looks like. It has a pump and it has a seal. So I'm not going to undo that because I don't know. But I'm thinking it might be some type of serum. So I'll have to, I'll go on the website and read a little bit more about it. Then we have this interesting thing. It's vegan. Not sure what it is. It's Kansori. I can't tell what it is. I thought maybe it was like a lippy, but I don't think it is. So this is the packaging. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look these up. So before I post the video, I'll have everything below what it is and what the purpose of it is, because I still can't read what this one is. And then we have another item, and this is, it says, yes, I am toner. So there's that one. And then we've got this huge, cool looking bottle, Aloe 99 Holika Soothing Gel. So this looks like a great after you burn or sun, you would put it on, but look at this cool bottle. Can you see that? That's a really cool bottle. So I'm assuming this is just like an after sun type of gel, which this time of year, it really can come in handy. And then we have one more item. Some of it's written in Korean, so I can't read it. This is a hyaluronic acid. So we got, oh, did I go over this one? Oh, I don't think I pulled this one. BHA Cream Dark Spot Zero. Now this I will definitely use. See what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's all sealed up, so, but this one I will definitely use. So we got 1, 2, and I will definitely use this. 3, and I have to find out what this one is. 4, and I really don't know if these are full size. These look more like, you know, sample size. And some face masks and some samples. So, as I said, I want to say I paid like around $40 for this box. So what did you think of it? Since I don't know what a couple of items do, and the one that says snail really kind of, I don't know if I would use it. So I don't know if I would order this box again, but then until I use the products and see what the effects have, I really can't say. So I'm definitely gonna try the toner or the Dark Spot Zero. So if that works, that's worth the price of the box. So let me know what you thought of the box, if you thought it was worth it, if you would pay, if you would get the box, and check below what the items were in the box. That might change your mind. And please hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video.